I need a new collar for my dog, and I have no idea which one's gonna last.
How about these colorful nylon dog collars? The embroidered nylon has the information sewn right into the collar. Or there's the Color Splash ScruffTag Dog Collar with the built-in plate.
I'm wanting to go for more of a classic leather look.
In that case, the Italian leather dog collars are soft and come in several color options. Or there's the Leather ScruffTag Dog Collar to keep that traditional leather look.
I don't want these to smell though. My dog will seek out water and dive right in.
The waterproof soft grip collars are your best bet. These collars are waterproof and odor resistant, and they're made in the USA.
Wonderful. That sounds perfect.
The collars are built to last with a lifetime guarantee. You can buy everything online at www.dogids.com.